So I took out the belt tensioner from the e30 because the belt was mad loose. And I tried to like adjust it with the teeth. As you can see, all the tooths is ate out. You feel me? I'm trying. Got tooth missing. But this is a stationary item. Like the bolt rolls across these grooves, and that's the farthest it could go. And me basically trying to mount up like this. The more this way I could go, is the tighter I could make the belt. So right now, even at if it was working correctly, it's maxed out, and there's no way to adjust it to give you more. So, and this is $45 on eBay. But if I'm already maxed out, the new one still ain't gonna make a difference. Let me know if I'm tripping. But yeah.
Moment of truth. We're gonna see if it squeaks or not. It's supposed to squeak as soon as it starts up. You can't judge me if it works. You can't judge me if it works. Woo! Stop playing. Oh, that joint's smooth. Stop playing. Stop playing. You can't judge me if it works. Apologize, y'all. I realized that I didn't even explain what I did. Yo, I thought I had pictures, but I was just in the mood, just like grinding literally, and I forgot. So what I did was temporarily. So the hole at the end right here, I explained earlier, I needed to go that way more in order to tighten, put tension on the belt itself, right? You can see the mark, the bolt is already maxed out. I can't pull the joint here anymore. When I took the bolt out, I was able to get some more room, and I'm like, okay, so if I could angle this, so I leaned this forward, so loosen this bolt, lean this forward, and now I needed more off of here. So I literally grinded maybe 3/4 of this indent right here, maybe 3/4 of it. That was enough for me to get like the belt like snug. I got the squeak fixed. So I'm gonna give y'all a quick look at sound clip. You see what I say? So you know how go on. Ah shit. I'll be honest with y'all. This might be one of my favorite cars. It's not might be. It definitely is one of my favorite cars. I feel like it's just the respect of it. You know what I mean? And I feel like the way I acquired it, because my brother gave me this car. Just long story. I'll tell you all the story one day, but my brother gave me this. So there's sentimental value to it, and it's just it has character. This car was born before me, bro, and I'm Unc. You see me? And people love it everywhere we go. People love it. So it's like I see the flaws a lot of times, and other people just see the beauty. You get me? I say, like, yeah. And that's it for another video, you know, people. You don't know. Big up on yourself always, and don't be scared to stick around. You see me? I say, it's always good vibes over here, and you know, try for bringing the content. So, peace.